Which test series to attempt? I've already mentioned that you can go for any test series as long as you do from end to end. Why? I say this because you might be tempted to cover 10 tests from XYZ coaching, another 10 tests from XYZ coaching. I would suggest that you should avoid that. Why? Because coachings have a way of distributing their content across the entire length of their test series. If you pick and choose a particular set of tests from one coaching and then skip to another, it is likely that you might miss some content that could have been covered from that test series. So almost all the test series cover content reasonably well, and if you are doing 6,000 questions from various sources like I mentioned, you are much more likely to cover the entire content. So I would advise you to stick to one test series. I did Vision, IAS. Some people do Insights, IAS Baba. Some people do Unique IAS. I would advise you to go for the open online test of any coaching. I've heard good things about Unique IAS as well. Forum IAS tests are also good. You can go for that. As long as you are doing it holistically, honestly, it won't be a problem. If you are running short of time, don't start from test number 1, start from test number 35. Why? Full length tests are there. Test number 1 onwards, tests are relatively easier. Not absolutely easy, but relatively a little bit easier. Start from test number 35, work backwards. How do you attempt a test paper? I've already said that it takes about 5 to 5.5 hours. 2 hours for attempt, 15 minutes for checking, 2 to 2.5 hours, even 3 hours for reviewing each and every question. On priority, you would review the questions that you could not attempt. Then on second priority would be the questions that you did attempt, but was not 100% sure, but got the answer right. Still, you are not 100% sure, so you should read the solution. Okay, and even in those questions that you were sure of, that you attempted with absolute certainty, those questions have to be read also. Why? Because you find a new thing in a solution. It is possible that you might find a new thing in a solution that might appear in a question that you might not have known.